Ready to ditch the physical SIM card and unlock the full potential of your iPhone 16 Pro Max on Cricket Wireless? First, you'll need your Cricket Wireless Esim QR code. This can usually be obtained from your online Cricket account or by contacting Cricket Wireless customer support. Make sure you have this QR code handy, either printed or displayed on another device. Now, grab your iPhone 16 Pro Max and navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on either Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your iOS version. Look for an option that says Add Esim or Add Cellular Plan. Tap on it. This will initiate the Esim setup process. Your iPhone will now activate the camera. Use it to scan the Esim QR code you obtained from Cricket Wireless. Make sure the entire QR code is visible within the frame. Once the QR code is scanned, your iPhone will display the Cricket Wireless Cellular Plan details. Confirm that this is the correct plan and then tap on Activate Esim. Your iPhone will now start the Esim activation process, which may take a few moments. Be patient and do not turn off your device during this time. After activation, your Cricket Wireless Cellular Plan should appear in your cellular settings. You can customize the label for your plan, such as Cricket, and set it as your primary line for calls and data. Finally, download and log into the MyCricket app to manage your account, track your data usage, and explore other features. And that's it. You've successfully set up your iPhone 16 Pro Max Esim on Cricket Wireless, enjoying seamless connectivity without a physical SIM.